YouTube, what up, man? Back with another Rap Snack food for you guys, man. Brand new Migos flavor, another brand new Migos flavor. I'm hit y'all over here with. This is the white cheddar with a dab of ranch, but these are cheese puffs, man. White cheddar with a dab of ranch cheese puffs. So, open it up. It's a lot of cheese puffs in here. I can see it. Decent amount. Actually, a decent amount, actually. Let's get one out. Let's grab one real quick. This is what they look like. Like a regular cheese puff, so. See it? Let's try it. Whoa. Wow. These are good. Just as good as the chips, man. Just as good. Maybe better. We got a lot of flavor, a lot of texture on these things. Yeah. If I had to rate these, man, I might have these a 10. 10 out of 10, man. Just that good, actually. I like them a lot. They're real good. Real good. Man, Migos, man. White cheddar with a dab of ranch, man. Cheese puffs, man. Already. Comment, like, subscribe. Keep watching my videos. Next time. Peace.